Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down your account and opening Roblox Studio. This keeps your work and data safe. Once Studio is open, start a local play session so you can watch behavior in a controlled environment. Make sure the developer console is visible. It gives real-time logs and errors. You do this not to invade others, but to debug your own game. These initial steps let you observe events and prepare for deeper inspection, without using third-party exploit tools. Once done, instrument your code with clear print or logging statements so you can see exactly when remote events fire and what data passes. Run tests from both client and server in Studio to compare results. Differences reveal client-side tampering. Make sure to log argument types and expected ranges. Unexpected types or frequencies are red flags. This methodical tracing shows you how data flows and why a bug or exploit might appear without. To finish, implement server-side validation so the server never trusts client input. Validate types, ranges, and permissions before applying changes. Add throttling and sanitize strings or ID to prevent misuse. Once fixes are in place, rerun tests to confirm behavior matches expectations. If you suspect a third-party exploit, gather logs and report it to Roblox rather than sharing tools. Troubleshooting tip: if results differ between client and server, rerun tests with fresh clean sessions and double-check where state is stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.